Hi, my name is Kat. I am the community outreach dietitian, and today we're going to be making a delicious butternut squash soup, which is perfect for the holiday season. We're going to go ahead and start with a little olive oil, just to coat the bottom of the pan. We're going to go ahead and saute some shallots and garlic first, just to bring out the flavors until fragrant. And here we have a little sage. This will add a little more flavor to the recipe. I'm going to saute that. We're going to add the butternut squash, which is cubed. We have some carrots and apples chopped up here, about 2 small carrots or 1 large carrot, and a half of a green apple. We're going to add a little bit of cayenne. Again, you can add more if you'd like. We're going to add a little bit of salt, and then we're going to go ahead and add a little broth.